Hey there, everybody. All right, today we are going to be talking about vowel teams. Yeah. All right, and our vowel teams. With our vowel teams, the first one does the talking, the second one does the walking, usually. So, I'm going to talk to you about the rules because with every rule, there's an exception. So, let's get learning about our vowel teams today. Maybe. If it wants, there it goes. All right. We're going to hide this for right now. So it's out of your way. And let's get I get a laser pointer? Okay. We're just going to, there we go. I'll move me back over here. Perfect. Okay. So here we go. What do we have here? This is our little anchor chart, and we have our vowel teams. So with our vowel teams, our rule is with our vowel teams, it's our syllable containing two vowels that go together that make one sound. So if we have some like A-I, E-A, O-A, E-E, and then sometimes we have ones like A-Y, O-E. But our rule is that the first vowel does the talking and the second one does the walking. So that means that the first vowel makes the long vowel sound. And you can see that right here. It has the long vowel sound, and then it's got the slash through it. That means it's silent. So in this case, in E-A, the E is going to make the noise or the sound. It's going to say its name, and it'll say E. So right here, we have the word bean. The E gets to say its name. Right here, we have the word pie. The I gets to say its name. Right here, we have bow. The O gets to say its name. We have tray. We have boat. And we have cheek. So let's take a little deeper look at it. Okay. So my pro tip, when two vowels go a-walkin', the first one does a talkin'. So when you see two vowels together, typically speaking, you are going to take a look here and see what do you have. I see an E, I see an A. I know the first one does the talking, and it's going to say its name. You can see here, this one says E. And so when you're trying to decode a word, that's the vowel team. That's the vowel you're going to say. And I put some asterisks here because it says usually. And that's because, did you know, it's often said when two vowels go a-walkin', the first one does the talking, but it's not true all of the time. So it says consider these vowel teams. It says find the ones where the saying works most of the time. So let's figure it out. So let's find it where the vowel team, the first one does the talking. So right here we have A-I, A. This would be A like in rain. Yep. A-Y like in day or say. Yep. We have E-E, E like meet. It's nice to meet you. We have E-A. This would say E like sea. Like the ocean sea. This is E-Y, E like key. This is I-E like pie. This is O-A like O, like soap. This is O-W, this is O like snow, but it can also say ow. So in that case, we would have to read the context of it, right? So sometimes yes, sometimes no. Right here, UE says you like blue. This one, AU. This one says ah, like August. So this one doesn't work. Right here we have AW. This is another one. This is ah, like I saw you. Again, this one doesn't work. We have OO. This one can make two different sounds. It can say ooh, like boo, and it can also say like look. So again, no. This one over right here, OW, it can say O, and it can also say so it can sometimes make those two different sounds. And down here we have oi, and then we also have ew. So it doesn't always work for us, but that is where we had before. I said pro tip: when two vowels go a walking, the first one does a talking. And I said usually. And when I give you a pro tip, it's because I tell you, if you don't remember anything else, remember this clue, because it's going to help you most often. So most often, yeah, we have a lot of times where that first vowel is going to help you. So remember it and try it out, because your job is to be the best decoder you can so you can read efficiently and effectively. So learning your vowel teams is one way that can help you. So we have a cute little song here for you. I'm going to sing for you. So this is to the tune of Where is Thumpkin? So maybe you know the song, maybe you don't, but I'm going to sing it for you. So it says, I see two vowels, I see two vowels, I hear one, I hear one. The first one does the talking, the second one goes walking. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So maybe that can stick with you, help you remember the rule. Here's just some other anchor charts. You may have seen this in your classroom, in your writing folders. It's our vowel team. So we have A-I-A-Y. We have A like bait and play. We have our E vowel team, E-E like Jeep, eat, and key. We have our O, oi like coin and boy. We have OA like boat. We have OE like toe. And then we talked about how this one can make two different sounds. O like snow, but it can also say ow like plow. Okay, then this one also makes two different sounds. This one can make ooh like soup, but it can also make the ow sound like trout. This one can say ooh like school, but we also said it can make the sound like look or book. Okay, then we also have this one makes blue and rescue, and it also says ew like chew. And then I need to stop moving so it can exit out. Maybe I can just hit exit. I didn't want to exit out completely. Then we have AW. I'll present again. Hopefully it doesn't take me all the way back. AU, which says aw like August, and AW, which says aw like saw. Okay, so they're called vowel teams, but you may have noticed something. Did all of these have vowels? They did not. So sometimes they're called letter combinations because, like AW, W isn't a vowel. So it's not technically a vowel team. Y is sometimes a vowel, so we could count that. But like AW, not really a vowel. So that would be a time where sometimes you might see them called vowel teams, but they may be called vowel combinations. Okay. I really like this one because it does have the different ones, and then they use it in a sentence or a phrase to help you remember the words. So this one says like wait to play. So it has wait, play. And then this one also has some of our other ones we've been working on, like our bossy R and some of our other word parts. It has our magic E down here. So I really like this one because it kind of has all of the letter combinations kind of all smushed together. Okay, this one also has our vowel teams. And this one's nice because it only actually has the vowels on it. So it doesn't have any of the combinations. And then it just shows you some different words that it has with it. And I love that in the red, it keeps the vowel team so you can see exactly where it's at in the word. And then it shows you, it has the long vowel, it marks it with the long vowel sound, and then it slashes out the vowel that doesn't make the sound. So that's really helpful. And then they have this nice little graphic here. It shows you that this vowel is talking, this vowel is silent, and it also says it up at the top. So I think this is a really great graphic as well. Just helps you kind of remember the rule. Okay, so it's time for some application. We are going to be doing this worksheet. You can't really see it very well, so I've added it over here. We need to figure out the needed vowel team from the word missing in the sentences. So I have some different vowel teams, A, I, E, E, I, E, O, A, and O, O. You are going to be getting a copy of this sent to you, and you are going to need to read the sentence and decide which vowel team should go in there. So you're going to need to think about the different kinds of vowel teams, what would make sense there, and put it in. So that will be your job, is to look at those and put in the correct vowel team. So you may need to go back and review your vowel teams, but remember, typically speaking, when two vowels go together, the first vowel does the talking, second vowel does the walking, and it's going to make that long vowel sound. So the vowel is going to say its name. So that's your pro tip. It's not always going to happen for you, but more times than not, if you see those two vowels together and you are trying to decode a word you don't know, that will be my best tip for you to try as you are decoding. So can't wait to see what you come up with when you figure this out, and let's keep being the best readers, decoders that we can be. Thanks for hanging in there with me today as we problem solve through this.